Hey guys, so today we are going to be talking to you about the 10 things we wish we knew about starting mobile photography. So let's get into it. Tip 1. Lighting is key. So first and foremost, lighting is everything. Natural light can make or break your shot, so always try and shoot during your golden hours, which are sunset or sunrise, so that way no harsh light in the middle of the day ruins your shots.
Tip 2. Composition matters. Don't forget about composition. Experiment with the rule of thirds, leading lines, and negative spaces to get well-balanced photos.
Tip 3. Tap to focus. Did you know that you can tap on your phone screen so that way you can keep whatever you want in focus, whether it's further back from your subject or it actually is your subject, so that way your photos and whatever you want in focus is crystal clear. Tip 4. Experiment with editing apps. Don't be afraid to explore editing apps. They can enhance your photos with filters, adjustments, and creative tools.
Tip 5. Rule of simplicity. Remember the rule of simplicity. Take distractions away from your frame, whether that be trash cans, a messy bed, or shadows portraying behind you. That would make your photos a lot simpler and cleaner. Simplicity.
If you find any of these tips useful, make sure you leave a like, comment, and subscribe for more photography content. Tip 6. Explore different perspectives. Get low, climb high, or try different unique angles to add interest to your shots.
Tip number 7. Tell a story. Every photo has a story. Consider the story you want to convey with people, objects, and or lighting.
Tip 8. Master your phone's camera settings. Take time to understand your camera settings. Adjust exposure, ISO, white balance, or whatever else your settings allow you to adjust. Tip 9. Don't zoom, move closer. Instead of zooming in, move closer to your subject. It maintains better image quality and allows you to capture more details.
Tip number 10. Practice, practice, practice. Last but not least, practice makes perfect. Practice your lighting skills. Practice adjusting photos as you're taking them. With each shoot, you will eventually get better and better.
And there you have it. These are the 10 things that we wish we knew before starting mobile photography. Remember, enjoy the process, be creative, and keep practicing. So if you enjoyed the video and you find any of these tips helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and we will see you in the next one.